Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And yesterday, my friends, I was talking about a possible turnaround for CD Projekt. And if we are looking at the chart, my friends, today, if we're looking at the chart, we see 6.21% CD Projekt is up. So, little disclaimer, I'm invested in CD Projekt and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor myself, a YouTuber. This is for entertainment and information purposes only. So 6.21%. So it seems, my friends, it seems. So here I was drawing a little line. So this support line was kind of holding up. So we were actually not starting to drop down to the 80, 90 Polish zloty. So this is actually pretty cool. So the question is now, where is this going on? What was the reason for this? So where's it going, guys? I cannot tell you, of course. But as I always say, 2022 is not going to be a good year for CD Projekt, but maybe the perspectives of a good 2023 get already priced in the stock price at one point. So, and then the overall stock market had a nice crash, to put it like this. So here, for example, in comparison, we can put the Nasdaq, and then you see the Nasdaq was dropping also from 100% if you look on the 2016 perspective. So, but Nasdaq is also up today. So here you also see this tiny little edge up in the Nasdaq today, my friend. So overall, I would say it's starting to get again a little bit more interesting, So remove indicators now, leaving like this. So if we really build up some support line, then this is going to be for me interesting to buy maybe some more stocks. But I'm already very much invested in CD Projekt, and I'm also down, so that's not so much fun. And therefore, I would always recommend you guys to be cautious, even if it goes up one day. This could be also some short squeezes, but yeah, what do I actually think it is? So if we go now, for example, the 1X gaming, video gaming and esports ETF, so you might have heard about this ETF. So this ETF is also up today, and this ETF has a very interesting composition of holdings. So for example, you see here a big holding of Tencent. So I think Tencent was also up today, and then we see also so Nvidia is part of it, but you can see here Take-Two Interactive is part of it. So, and then we have a 1.18% CD Projekt. So I think that's actually a very good diversification for gaming companies in general. However, I would say Tencent is maybe a bit overrepresented in this ETF. So NetEase and Tencent are overrepresented. So for this reason, I probably would not buy this ETF. So, but yeah, let's look a little bit at Take-Two Interactive. So Take-Two Interactive had today a jump of 12%. This is because of their fiscal year 2022 earnings, which were in the end not so positive, but positive in the sense that they have going to have an interesting outlook also with the Singer acquisition, that they're going to continue to grow, and that they are trying to to monetize also a lot when Singer is becoming part of it. So therefore, also Take-Two Interactive on the one hand, and then here again I have you the list of the gaming different gaming stocks today at the closing, more or less at the closing. So Take-Two, GameStop also up 9%, AMD 9%. So I count AMD and GameStop also on the gaming stocks, even that GameStop is obviously more a meme stock, more a religion stock, and AMD is a graphics card stock, but this and a CPU stock. So Singer is also up 6.76%, and then here we see CD Projekt, as I just told you, Unity, Nvidia, Capcom. Actually, all those stocks are massively, or not massively, but nicely up. Even Nacon, French company, Ubisoft is even up today, and then 11-bit is up again. Rovio, the Finnish company, is up. So very interesting. So, and which stocks do we have on the downside? We have CI Games, also a Polish gaming company, and there's an interesting news that I'm going to cover in another video. And then we have Razer is down. This is a hardware company listed in Hong Kong, and Playway, which is also a Polish company, and Focus Home Interactive, or Focus, which is a French company, is also down. So in general, a strong gaming setup today. And if we look, for example, at the volume, you can see, of course, AMD has one of the biggest trading volume. Then Zynga actually today also a very huge trading volume. Nvidia, of course, Take-Two not so much. And then we have Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft I count also as a gaming company, but of course we all know that Microsoft is also obviously doing other other services with Windows, etc. So this is the Take-Two fiscal 2022 years results summary. So we see here actually operating GAAP income and GAAP EPS, and then we see this is for the fourth quarter, and now we look for the fiscal year 2021. So we see that the actual was 3,505 yeah, in millions, of course, 3,000 millions, so it's then billions. And the guidance was yeah, the guidance so was lower than this. And then we have the operating expenses. So the expenses were a little bit higher than the guidance than expected. And then we have the net income, which was higher, also nice. And we have earnings per share, which were also higher. So overall, good news in this sense, guys. So I would say that's actually really good for Take-Two. So therefore, I don't see any news on the investor page of CD Projekt with regard to yesterday. So probably it was just a nice pump today because of Take-Two Interactive. So overall, Take-Two Interactive helped us today in the gaming industry in general. And then also since yesterday, CD Projekt started already to build maybe some level of support to start a turnaround again, or at least starting to go now sideways. This might have also helped that CD Projekt Red actually performed so good today. So I'm going to make also a special video for the Take-Two fiscal earnings. So if you're interested in this, then of course comment, like, and subscribe to my channel that you're not missing any new videos. So thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.